10 Best Ways to Invest $500,000 in Gold Bullion. Investing in gold bullion can be a secure and profitable way to diversify your portfolio. Here are 10 effective methods to consider for a $500,000 investment. 1. Physical gold bars. Buy gold bars of various sizes for direct ownership and storage. 2. Gold coins. Acquire popular gold coins like American Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs for their liquidity and appeal. 3. Allocated gold accounts. Use these accounts to store your gold in a secure, insured vault without the hassle of personal storage. 4. Unallocated gold accounts. Opt for these if you want lower storage fees, but be aware of the counterparty risk. 5. Gold ETFs. Invest in exchange-traded funds that track gold prices, offering liquidity and ease of trading. 6. Gold mutual funds. Diversify with funds that include gold stocks and bullion, managed by professionals. 7. Digital gold. Buy gold through online platforms, combining physical ownership with digital convenience. 8. Gold savings plans. Contribute regularly to accumulate gold over time, averaging out price fluctuations. 9. Gold certificates. Hold paper certificates that represent stored gold, providing a convenient alternative to physical storage. 10. Gold bonds. Invest in government-issued bonds linked to gold prices, which also pay periodic interest. These methods offer various advantages, so diversifying your investment across several can optimize security and returns. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.